Okay, so guys, this is a Rubik's Cube, nice and solved. Mix it up a bit. I popped it. Okay, almost got it. Good. It's nice and mixed up. I'm gonna solve it. At least I hope. Here I got one side and these two. So now I'm going for this. This is where I usually mess up. Look at that next step. And now I got the T on top, going for the whole top now. Only one. Crikey. I'm going to do all of the Rubik's Cube except for one here, one here, one here, and maybe one here. This is either this or the other one is where I fail most, like I said. I am very close. I think I need one more sequence and then I'm done. And I was correct. It's solved. Oh, right here.